Today I'm going to be installing a dash cam on my car. This camera straps onto the rearview mirror, so the camera slides sideways. You'll see why. This product is listed in the link down below. Here I'm connecting the camera wire and the power supply wire. I ran the camera wire right underneath the top over here. As you see, it goes down behind. I zip tied the wire over here. There's the trunk wires run along. Zip tied it nice over here as it goes behind the rear passenger seats. I mounted the camera with two screws that it comes with. You adjust the camera up and down. Here's the power supply. Underneath over here. Down over here, comes to the top. Right underneath that. Make sure the camera slides sideways. I see it's why. The navigation piece that comes with it is optional. My back shield is tinted. So here comes some night driving. This is with it. Some braking. Here's off. It does help at night. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And this product is listed down below. Thank you.